What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Burke with Cerakote in the shop. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you have not. We are going to do an awesome project today. It is a 1980 22 revolver. This is my personal. It is all disassembled and taken apart. It has been sandblasted. If you saw the before picture at the beginning, you saw that it had some surface rust. It was pretty banged up. Some of the metal is indented and a little cosmetically funky just because the rust was on it, but it's nothing structural. Everything looks like it'll hold and be just fine. However, we are going to dress this thing up and make it look like it's amazing. Hopefully. We're going to do some smoked bronze, a custom colors, and yes, there will be stencils. So let's see how this works and we'll get her going. First color right now is going to be burnt bronze, or smoked bronze. My apologies. Alright guys, there's the main piece there, so we're gonna see how this goes. This is gonna be a rather tricky Cerakote job, so compared to single blades like we're used to. So let's see how this goes. Blow it off a little bit here. Make sure everything's free. So our next color is going to be our custom color. Now I want you guys to remember something, okay? With this piece, one of the main goals for this revolver is because it is a 1980s, I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to go too extravagant, okay? I wanted to keep it simple. I wanted to get the rust off of it. I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want anything crazy, if that makes sense. I wanted it simplistic, so we're keeping it simplistic because it is an older revolver, and I don't know. I want to keep it old Americana. I don't want to do some new age thing because this. Brad's smart. Forgot to put the second part in. So here's the funny thing. I've been doing stuff, but I forgot to hit record. Isn't it great?
watch them shine, protect the soul of the cold hard line. Knives cut deep, but they gotta stay clean. But put that coat on, keep them mean. Handle grit in the butcher's hand. Survival knife through survival land. Knives cut deep, but they gotta stay clean. Put that coat on, keep them mean. Handle gripped in the butcher's hand. Survival knife through survival land. Cerakote, the armor of the age. Fight the rust, light the rage. Steel to steel, sharp to sharp. Paint the world with the warrior's heart. Bars fast, need that speed. Coat the body, sleek indeed. Engine roars, protection sealed. On the road, no wounds healed. Motorcycles scream through the night. Iron horses baked in light. Coat the frame, coat the tail. Ride the storm, ride the rail. Knives cut deep, but they gotta stay clean. Put that coat on, keep them mean. Handle gripped in the butcher's hand. Survival knife to survival land. Cerakote, the armor of the age. Fight the rust, light the rage. Steel to steel, sharp to sharp. Paint the world with the warrior's heart. Cars fast, need that speed. Coat the body, sleek indeed. Engine roars, protection sealed. On the road, no wounds healed. Cars fast, need that speed. Coat the body, sleek indeed. Engine roars, protection sealed. On the road, no wounds healed. Sweat on my brow, heat and grind. Rough hands all day, hard to find. Cars and cycles, guns and knives. Coating steel where the spirit thrives. Layers fake, dark dance of flames under lights on